you today? Are you ready for another Guess the Sound game? Okay, today we are only going to hear and learn how to say in sign language farm animal sounds. Now, some of these sounds you already know, and you know how to say them in sign language. And some of them are going to be new for you. Can you remember how we say our sentence when we hear a sound? It goes like this. I hear. Let's try it together. I hear. Good job. Let's try it again. I hear. Okay, one last time. I hear. Great job. Okay, let's get started with our first farm animal sound. Horse. I hear a horse. Okay, so here's how you say horse in sign language. You put your two fingers up like this. Take your thumb to your forehead, with the side of your head, your temple, and you do this. Horse. Horse. All right, let's make a sentence. I hear horse. Let's try it again because Miss Kelly got a little confused with her fingers there. I hear horse. Again, I hear horse. Horse. Great job. Let's listen to the next sound. Chickens. I hear chickens. Chickens. I hear chickens. Okay, let's learn how to say chickens in sign language. You're going to do this like a bird, and then like it's eating from your hand. Chicken. 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 Very good. Let's make a sentence. I hear chicken. Let's do it again. I hear chicken. Great job. Let's do it one more time. I hear chicken. Great job. What's up next? Goat. I hear a goat. Goat. I hear a goat. All right, so to sign goat, we are going to do this with our fingers, okay? So curl those in. These two are bent like this, and we touch our chin and then touch the top of our head. Goat. 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 Great job. Let's make a sentence. I hear goat. Again. I hear goat. Great job. Let's do it one more time. I hear goat. Great job. Let's listen to the next sound. Duck. I hear ducks. Ducks. How do we say ducks in sign language? So it's going to be like a bird. You have your two, kind of like a bird. You have your two fingers up and your thumb like this, almost like you're saying no. And you're just going to sign to the side, duck, duck. One more time, duck. Very good. Let's make a sentence. I hear duck. Again, I hear duck. One more time. I hear duck. Great job. Let's listen to the next sound. Llama. I hear a llama. Llama. I hear a llama. That's a different one. A little bit trickier. But here's how you say llama in sign language. You're going to put your 2 fingers up and you're going to take your middle finger and your ring finger and put them up against your thumb. And you're going to do llama. See, it looks like a llama. Llama. Again, llama. Another time, llama. Good. Let's make a sentence. I hear llama. I hear llama. One last time. I hear llama. Great job. Pig. I hear a pig. Pig. I hear a pig. You guys should remember this one, but if not, how to say it in sign language right under your chin. Pig. Pig. One more time. Pig. All right, let's make a sentence. I hear a pig. Again. I hear a pig. Great job. Let's do it one last time. I hear a pig. Great job. Let's listen to the next sound. Cow. I hear a cow. Cow. Here's another one I know you guys have seen before. Cow. So if you remember, sorry. So it's pinky, thumb, cow. Move it up and down. Cow. One more time. Cow. All right, let's make a sentence. I hear cow. Again, I hear cow. Great job. Let's do it one last time. I hear cow. Great job. Sheep. I hear a sheep. Sheep. Okay, we've learned this one before. So our hand is out and like cutting. Sheep. Sheep. One more time. Sheep. I hear a sheep. I hear a sheep. One more time. I hear a sheep. Cat. I hear a cat. Cat. I hear a cat. To sign cat, we're going to take our thumb and our pointer finger and we're going to make the whiskers. Cat. 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 Like you're pulling on the whisker. Cat. All right, let's make a sentence. I hear cat. Cat. I hear cat. One more time. I hear cat. Great job. One more sound. Dog. I hear a dog. Okay, so we did learn barking, but this is for a dog. If you want to say dog in sign language, you're going to tap your leg and snap your finger. Tap and snap. Dog. Like you're saying, come here, boy. Tap and snap. Tap and snap. Let's make a sentence. I hear a dog. Again, I hear a dog. One last time. I hear a dog. Great job, friends. I hope you had fun, and I hope you got to learn some new signs, and I hope you remembered some of the ones we've already learned. I'll see you next time where we will learn more sounds and how to say them in sign language. Have a great day, guys. Bye.